Regret keeps us stuck in a place and time. That means from that point, we have not wholeheartedly moved forward. And that regret now is turning into a limiting belief or a disbelief that will stop us from choosing an opportunity or taking a chance or a risk on something that can take us into something positive or next phase of life. Anyone who feels like, okay, they have failed in an opportunity or something like that, it is never the end of the world. Just accept it. If you really want to achieve something, try again. And if you don't think you can do it again, move past it. Holding on to regret is I think that's the toughest anyone chooses to live.